I want to mention what item. Item number 31, today's list, my lord.
31.
31. My lord, in spite of pending repetition, the block level officer of Pandua issued the demolition work of the alleged construction, my lord, of the petitioner, my lord. There was
It will be called on in the usual course. No
If it's
question
not-
of upgradation now. These are all assigned matters have suddenly come up in the list. Even I don't know when I'm going to sit next.
Well, kindly fix the matter. That's why I
No
can.
fixing. When will I fix? How will I fix? Even I don't know when next I'm going to sit. I'll be
Well,
sitting in the division
they
bench.
issue the demolition notice, my lord. That's why I will suffer, my lord. In spite of pending issue, kindly consider, my lord. 2 to 31, my lord.
But how do I fix a date? I don't know myself when I'm going to sit.
Well, kindly, like,
Fixing a
it will
date
be
will not
today.
not be
It
possible.
will take up today, my lord.
Today, how can I take? You give notice to the other side. You can bring him and take it up. If you can bring him, I'll take him up. Take it up. Chalo. Next. You to nahi. Not today করে রাখুন। তো এটা এই লিস্টেই তো ছাপাবেন, আলাদা করে ছাপিয়েছেন। এই লিস্টে ছাপানো হয় না। কিন্তু জলপাইগুড়ি বেঞ্চের ম্যাটার এই কোর্টে হলে আলাদা কি করে হবে? লিস্টে ভুল হচ্ছে। তাই হয় এই বেঞ্চে এলেও? Where is Mr. Samanth? I'm taking it on record, but will not dispose of it because he might be in some difficulty today. To order record করেন। Mr. Debra, learned advocate appearing for the state respondents. তার উপরে লিখে দিন none appears for the petition. Mr. Debra, learned advocate appearing for the alleged contemner. The state respondents for the alleged contemner hands up a copy of an order dated August 6, 2025, passed by the Secretary, State Transport Authority, West Bengal, and submits that the order dated July 18, 2025. It was July 18 order? No, July 13 order. That the order dated June 13, 2025 has been complied with. Full stop. The said order dated August 6, 2025, along with the instructions forwarded to the learned advocate by his client are taken on record. Full stop. Since the petitioner is not represented, let this matter stand adjourned and be listed again on Friday date. It will appear on Friday again. Yes, whenever I sit, keep a watch on the list. Not today, Commissioner. Not today. Dala.
Appearing on 4. May it please, Your Lordship. This is, my lord, a transfer application that has been taken out by the petitioner, my lord, and school authority, my
Yes,
lord.
yes, I remember. Your other side? আপনি টাইম দেননি কেন? বলেছিলাম তো আপনাকে 3:30 লিখে দিতে। ট্রেনকে 2-3 বার বললাম ফোনে। আমি কেন চলে আসছি? 3:30 ওখানে টাইম। I'm passing it over. Let us see if the other side comes.
As your lordship.
In any case, if the other side is not there, I'll not be able to.
No,
pass
no,
along.
that's fair enough. On the last occasion, your lordship had directed me to serve a supplementary affidavit to
Yes.
my lord, the school authorities. My
That
lord,
is
I have
done.
served it. They have refused to accept it. May, my lord, the affidavit of service be
Let it
taken on
they appear, then in that case, in their presence, I'll pass an order, or before rising you.
my lord, as your lordship. Thanks.
What is appearing? He has gone to hospital for releasing his wife.
Not today will do.
5 to 11.
Not today, Kuru. Not today.
My lord, item number 13, Mr. Ashutosh Bhattacharya is on behalf of the petition. He is engaged in court number 13, my
Not
lord.
today. Chalo.
Spot possible, not possible.
First over.
HON'BLE is fine.
Other side. I won't take ex parte because not today. Because broken benches, many people may be in difficulty. You know, suddenly I'm sitting at 3:30. Not good. Not today. Not today. Not not today.
My lord, 21, 22, and 23, both are our matters.
What should I do?
My lord, he's on his legs, my lord. My lord, kindly allow me to call him once.
21.
Kindly allow me to call him once.
Fast over. Chalo.
Lordships, Lordship 80,
Fast over.
Lords,
He wants.
Lordship,
अरे ये तो respondent है petitioner समय चाहिए चलो next
Sure, for the state respondent.
fast not today not today not today not today कर दो चलो
For the state respondent, Lordship.
if both sides are there I'll take otherwise I won't
State respondent, Lordship.
For the petitioner,
State respondent, Lordship.
very good we'll do it
my senior Mr. Ordnance is way to his.
you will do the matter or you will not do the matter
Yes, we do the matter.
start देखिए
A short password.
madam you are there
Lordship, senior Mr. Galib is there. He is on his leg, Lordship.
Even my senior is on.
what do you want a passover or you want to do it
Passover, Your Lordship. Passover will be finished.
passover
49, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
Let 45, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, your lordship kindly fix the matter next week, then I will serve again notice because
You serve notice because fixing Mr. Giri, even I don't know whether I'll be able to sit or because my regular bench is in division. So
then
only
your
if the division
lordship,
bench does not
then
sit
you,
that I
when I
will
am
sit.
paying for your lordship, then your lordship may not this week. Then probably, my lord, again I will serve the notice upon the respondent because they are not representing.
Very well, এইটা not this week করে দিন এই 45
হ্যাঁ
45
because I will serve notice then
45 টা not this week করে রাখবেন হ্যাঁ ওটা
My item was
and my lord,
21.
I am one
I'll come back, nobody was there.
my lord, one prayer before your lordship. I am praying apology, my lord. If your lordship time be mentioned, then it will be better for us.
Actually, even I did not know that suddenly benches break. So
That
we'll
is why
mention it.
after division bench.
That is why whenever it breaks.
Don't be my lord. I
No,
am
not at all. It is your right to say
Yes.
that.
Get
My lord,
46, 47, 48, 49.
Petitioner.
Yes, my lord. I'm for the petitioner, my lord. This matter is led by Mr. Dipanjan Dotto. My lord, he is into another matter, my lord.
Not today or
Not
pass
today.
over? Not today. Chalo.
My lord, item number 49, I appear for the respondent bank. The petitioner has served a copy upon us without the annexures. We are not sure what documents
Complete
they
the
are relying
service.
on.
Complete the service.
My lord.
There is an allegation you
Item
have not
number
served the
49.
entire
My lord,
copy,
I'll
served
serve.
the entire writ petition.
My lord.
Complete it
We
by
have
the time
written
it
a
is taken up
communication
next.
to them, but they have not.
Very well, it is not being
Sir.
taken up today. They have sought for time. So maybe if it is taken up on Friday, by the time it is taken up, he has said that he'll serve.
Kindly direct them to make sure that they have filed along with the repetition. That is
They'll
missing
serve
in
it.
our
They'll
copy.
serve it, madam. If they don't serve, I will not take it. Don't worry.
Okay, থাকবে। If I
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Chalo.
Right.
জানিয়ে দিয়েছিল তো
Lordship, I am petitioner number 2. My authorized representative will be connected via virtual.
Authorized
Yes,
representative.
yes, I am connected, my lord. I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord. My name is Dr. Kunal Saha.
And
And
who
I
is
have
appearing for the respondents?
nobody appearing. This is the first time it's being taken up. So
Have
nobody
you
for the
served upon the respondents?
No, my lord, it was served in the court, but we can serve. We can serve if your lordship wants. We can serve.
No, it has to be served if it has not been served. You must serve. A writ
Okay,
petition
and
has
maybe
to be
next
served
week
at the
then.
time of filing.
Yes, my lord, that was
the file
not
that
informed, but I will serve, fix it next week, my lord. Then I can appear before your lordship. This is a medical negligence case, my lord. And I've been appearing, helping the victims.
But how is it maintainable as a writ petition, sir?
Oh, Supreme Court recently, we have cited that appeal against NCDRC goes to High Court. And I have cited those judgment by Supreme Court. So the original matter was in a state commission. So then there was an appeal in National Commission, and appeal against that lies with High Court, not Supreme Court. This is what Supreme Court explained very recently, last year, my lord. And I've cited all those. It is only in the High Court, the jurisdiction, not the Supreme Court. in this scenario. My lord, this is a very simple matter. We have come before your lordship.
And how is
with-
it that you can argue, Mr. Dr.
Yes, I
Saha?
have can two. I have given. I have been appearing before this court.
No, but
and
how is this permissible, Dr. Saha?
It
You
was-
are not authorized to argue on behalf of somebody else. If it was your case, you could have argued it. But
No,
if
my
there is an Advocates Act which guides as to who can argue on behalf of some other person, how can a doctor argue on behalf of somebody else?
My lord, Section 32 of Advocates Act, first of all, gives discretion on the court. And I have similar situation came, Calcutta High Court already decided, and I have annexed that, my lord, with Can 2. Honorable Justice Sabyasachi Bhattacharya, 2021. So this was raised by the advocates, and this was decided by this honorable court that yes, I can argue in judicial and quasi-judicial setting medical negligence cases. And I have been appearing, my lord, before this court in other writ petitions and also Supreme Court of India. So I've annexed that entire judgment, Can 2, my lord. And I'm appearing pro bono from USA actually right now. But I travel frequently, my lord, to help victims in medical negligence cases.
Very well, you first serve. Let us see. I will decide this issue also.
All right, my lord, fix it kindly next week then. I will serve immediately. And if you can fix any day next week, my lord, I think there will be enough time to serve the other side.
Can 2, I don't find any order whereby your this issue was decided as to where you can represent somebody else.
Yes, my lord, that was the issue.
Because
Can
in Can 2, the order that you have cited is one where you yourself were the petitioner, not somebody else.
Yeah, the writ petition, it came with this question, if I can appear before for other person.
You can definitely appear. Here in this writ petition, you are not a party. You are not the writ petitioner here.
Yes,
There are
my
two
lord.
writ petitioners. There are two writ petitioners, both of whom are different. By way
Yes,
of a power of attorney, how can they engage you to argue on their behalf?
And that was the specific question in Can 2, in the WPO 3.
No, it does not appear. It does not appear from the order dated February 25, 2021 that could have been the question, because
not
in
that,
the writ
not that.
petition which was disposed of on 25th of February 2021, the petitioner
Yes.
was Dr. Kunal Saha, that is yourself. You can always argue your matter on your own. But the question is whether you can argue on behalf of somebody else in a petition where you are not the petitioner.
That was a question of law, came before to decide before this court. I was appearing for a party, for another victim in that.
Where is the judgment, sir? Please show me the judgment.
Yes, that is WPO 3 on Can 2. It is Annexure A, Can 2.
I have. It is before me. Page 8 is there. Kindly see the name of the party. The name of the party is Dr. Kunal Saha versus State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. Kunal Saha means yourself. So you are the petitioner.
But what was the question, my lord? Just see. Okay. If your lordship kindly go a few pages down, page 10, my lord.
Yes.
And the second paragraph. In view of the aforesaid averments, WPO 3, along with the connected application, is disposed of by allowing the petitioner to appear before.
That is a different. That question was never considered. That the question was whether you can be allowed to appear before the respondent number 3, that is the officer in charge. The question here is whether you can be allowed to appear before the High Court on behalf of somebody else. That is a different question altogether.
Even in the High Court, it says, my lord, that in any any judicial or quasi-judicial forum.
No, sir, that is not said there.
No,
Page 10,
it is
before
just
the,
before that. I will show you, my lord. It says in this very same judgment, my lord, and that I was allowed
please
on
wait, one of you
page
will argue.
on
You have
page
engaged somebody
9.
else, you please keep quiet.
On page 9, my lord,
Yes,
the petitioner has also been appearing pro bono in public interest litigation.
no, sir,
for
before service, you please come. If you can come, you satisfy me as regards your authority to represent the writ petitioner.
Yes, my lord, I am.
This order, I am not satisfied that it has decided the issue. This issue never fell for consideration of the Honorable Court because you yourself were the petitioner. The question will arise only if you are not the petitioner. Here, the question did not arise. If the question did not arise, a decision on the question does not arise.
My lord, let me just kindly go to page 5 of that order. The very first page of that order, I mean, second para.
Page 1.
Yes, page 1.
Yes.
So the second para, certain instances of such cases where the petitioner appeared have been mentioned in the supplementary affidavit as well. The petitioner appears from the statements made on oath in the supplementary affidavit to have been helping the society at large for betterment of healthcare delivery system and to bring justice to victims of medical negligence selflessly. As it appears from Annexure P8 of the writ petition, as well as the averments made in the supplementary affidavit, the petitioner has been helping the said victims, in particular the pro forma respondent number 4. So that was, I was appearing for pro forma respondent number 4 in that different court, without any financial benefit, solely on humanitarian ground. Such contention has been corroborated by the pro forma respondent for himself in writing. The petitioner
no, sir, that question, sir, that I have read the paragraph. That question is not yet decided in this. The question as to whether you can represent, the question as to whether you can represent somebody else in a writ petition, that has not been decided here.
In a writ petition?
Yes.
It says somewhat down, I'm reading, my lord, it says in any judicial or quasi-judicial. My lord, it's an
appeal. May have said, sir, but this question did not fall for consideration before the court. Before the court, you yourself were the petitioner. The question is arising before me now. The question did not arise there because you yourself were the petitioner. How could this question arise? This can be an observation, but this is not a decision on this issue. This issue does not arise. For a decision to be rendered on an issue, the issue must arise first. The issue will arise only if you are not the petitioner. If you are the petitioner and you are the pleader, then in that case, there is no issue at all. Here, somebody else is the petitioner and you are the pleader, although you are not an advocate licensed to appear on behalf of somebody else. How can the court permit that?
My lord,
that question never fell for consideration.
Let me satisfy yourself, my lord. My lord, this is actually an appeal. It is in the form of a writ petition by virtue of
then, sir, see, this is a judicial process where there are certain, all of us are bound by certain rules. Merely because I want to do something, I will not be permitted to do something. My hands are also fettered by the same law by which your hands are restricted. All of us have to follow a particular code. All of us have to follow a particular way, right? So if you are to appear, if you are to appear on behalf of a person, then in that case, you must have a license to appear. Whether this authorization to appear will make you competent enough to represent such other person before a judicial authority in the sense of a high court under Article 226 or any other court, giving a go-by to the provisions of the Advocates Act, prima facie, I am not satisfied.
Then Section 32 of Advocates Act.
Show me what Section 32 says. Please show me what Section 32 says.
Yes, my lord. It says, and I will... it says the court has the discretion, my lord. I will...
If it was a public interest litigation, you could have done it. But this kind of a litigation where it is private in nature, I have my doubts.
My lord, kindly one second. Section 32 of
Yes.
the Advocates Act 1961 allows any court or authority to grant permission for a person not enrolled as an advocate to appear in a particular case. This is the
to argue your own case, not for somebody
no,
else.
no. For a person, to grant permission for a person not enrolled as an advocate to appear in a particular case. Now, of course, anybody can appear in their own case in person. Section 32 says that it gives power to the court discretion, thinking if it is allowed. It could be allowed under Section 32. My lord, for the ends of justice, my lord, your lordship can do it. I have been appearing in this. It's a medical negligence death of another doctor, my lord, gross medical negligence. It is an appeal. An appeal against this will go to Supreme Court. And I have appeared in Supreme Court in number of cases, my lord, in writ petitions.
You have the orders where you have appeared before the Honorable Supreme Court for
I do, my lord.
persons other than your own case.
No, my lord, in that case, it was writ petition. Public interest.
Even if it was a writ petition, you were representing your own case or you are representing someone else's case?
No, I was appearing for organization, the society like that, my lord.
Organization, society, writ petition, that may be in the nature of a public interest litigation. But if it is one-to-one litigation between two parties, then in that case that may not be permissible. Section 32 cannot be so lightly interpreted to give the Advocates Act a go by completely.
My lord, for the ends of justice, my lord, I know the case.
I will have to apply my mind to this, Mr. Dr. Saha. Immediately, I'm not minded to allow this as at the moment.
My lord,
I will go through Section 32 once.
Yes, my lord, and
I'm
this
keeping
court
it. I'm
says-
keeping it on Friday because there are others waiting. In the meantime, I will also do my research. You also come ready. Let us see what happens.
Friday. Okay.
Friday.
Yes, my lord.
Friday.
Yes, I will.
Sir, you have engaged somebody. Please, either you yourself argue or let him argue.
No, my lord, I will argue and I will satisfy you more so.
Yes, please.
And I will not serve them. In the meantime, do I serve the other side or your lordship?
No, not necessary. Let us first cross this hurdle.
Yes. Sounds fine. Fine. I'm obliged, my lord. Friday.
Friday,
Yes.
if this bench sits, because I am usually sitting in division benches,
Yes.
there will be an indication in the list. Please follow the list.
Yes, I will. I'm used to, I'm not advocate, I'm doctor, but I've been appearing many times, my lord, for this humanitarian.
Yes, it will be pleasure hearing you only if the law permits.
Yes, no, I fully appreciate, and I will. I'm grateful.
শুনুন এর আগে যেটা হলো ফাইলটা একটু দাঁড়িয়ে
Grateful, my
other
lord.
side not there. Not today, because today broken bench, suddenly many people may not get. চলুন টাইমের ব্যাপার।
I'll go to item number 65. We are seeking a day's accommodation, your lordship.
Accommodation, don't pray for it, is granted. চলুন। একটা কাজ করুন দিদি,
Lordship, in item number 69,
সেকেন্ড কলটা করে দিন, দেখি কেউ যদি থাকে। পাস্ট ওভার গুলো কল করুন একবার।
your lordship, in item number 69, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner, your lordship. I am
Please
praying
wait,
for
it
a-
has already been passed over. Please wait. Second call is going.
But lordship, the other series not there today. That matter, assigned matter, my lord.
So Mr. Mitra was appearing in the earlier occasion. Your lordship had directed to file the
Very well,
the
Friday.
Great.
Not today.
13, I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Other side is not there.
Fourteen. I beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner, lordship. My bank account has been freezed. My matter is quite urgent, lordship. In earlier occasion, I have mentioned.
Bring your other side.
But other side, I will check and then after I mention on Friday, my lord, maybe fixed on Friday.
It will appear. All these matters will appear. Which
It
are
will
not
retain
being
its
taken.
position, lordship.
Yes, yes.
Grateful.
It won't go down. Chalo.
Lordships 18 and 19, Lordships, Mr. Devashish Ghosh is leading this matter, Lordships. He requested to it's a case of bank account attachment by police without any jurisdiction. And my whole GST because of that is suffering. But because the action was taken by police of Arunachal Pradesh, the matter we have mentioned several times before another bench also, Lordships. Now it has, because of the break of the list, it has come before your Lordships. Lordship may give some preference on Friday. Mr. Devashish Ghosh is appearing. Lordship may give some preference. Lordship can fix on Friday. Lordship anytime he will appear. Lordship.
I'll not jump the queue. I'll not jump the queue. It will be where it is. It will be called on. Please keep a watch on the list. If your other side is there, I'll take up.
Respondent. I am appearing for the respondent online.
Grateful dear. Grateful dear, Lordship. 18 and 19 together, Lordship.
Yes,
analogous matters. Much obliged. Grateful dear.
Chalo.
My lord, one thing, my lord, item number 13, 21, 22, and 23. All are same matters, my lord, analogous matters, and some of the matters are in with the court number 14. Can all these matters be heard together, my lord, on Friday?
No. That is, these are assigned to.
There are 12 writ petitions on same issue.
So whatever one will, whoever reaches first will decide.
Has your lordship
these are
fixed
assigned to
item
me. I cannot
19?
bring those matters. I don't have jurisdiction, and I cannot release these matters without taking.
Has your lordship fixed item number 18 and 19?
No, I have not fixed any matter. I have not fixed it. It will, because fixing won't make sense. I myself don't know when I'm going to sit, what time I'm going to sit. How will I fix?
Yes. So, my lord, I will be appearing for the respondents in those two matters.
18 and 19, somebody had appeared. He was wanting it to be fixed. I said it will appear in the list as it is, because
Yes, I just
nothing
heard.
has happened.
Yes,
So-
I just heard. Yes.
Yes. Chalo.
22 and 23, someone. 21, 22, and 23.
24, 25, 26, 28.
28, in this matter, I am appearing for the state, my lord.
Other side not there. Broken benches becomes difficult to take it ex parte or dismissing for default. If there is a series of non-appearance, then in that case, yes. First day, not proper. Chalo.
Then it will be appear on Friday.
Yes, same. It will retain its position.
Deeply.
31,
31 is not.
Not today.
32,
I am for the petition.
Now these matters are there in the list for some time. Why don't you notify your other side? It will make
serve the
things
notice on
easier,
Friday one.
so that I can take it up when I sit next.
I will.
Please
For
notify.
Friday only, I will notice.
If you notify on Friday, they don't appear, then it will go to next Friday. Next Friday is a holiday.
I will.
Not today.
34,
Today some difficult issue. Lord, see, kindly keep
Not
Friday.
today. Not today.
34, 35, 36, 37, 38.
All parties are there.
Probably, my lord, respondent number 1, there is a competent authority. I don't know whether they are appearing or not. But
We see
this is appeal service.
No, if all parties are not there, then in that case, there is no point taking the matter up.
Lordship, it will be not today, Lordship. Mr. Galib is appearing in this matter, Lordship. He's on leg, Lordship.
Not today, Friday. Please be there, madam, on Friday, so that at least
affidavit service should be.
I'm not passing any order. Not today. Unnecessarily why? আচ্ছা দিন সবাই আছে ওর টাইম চাইছে সেটা অন্তত রেকর্ড করে they'll get some fees.
It is absolutely benevolent, my lordship, on my part. It's a society where I live.
Affidavit of service filed today be taken on record. Full stop. Mr. Tiwari, you are from whom? For whom?
I'm for the respondent association.
Association means two.
Two to rest.
So they've included all the committee members as personal, as respondents.
2 to 11.
Yes.
2 to 11.
2 to 11.
While the respondent numbers 2 to 11. You are for the number 1.
Lordship, Mr. Galib is for the number 1. I am not there for
You are not there. All right.
He's on his leg,
While the respondent numbers 2 to 11 are represented, comma, adjournment is sought for on the ground of the learned advocate appearing for the respondent number on the ground of unavailability of the learned advocate appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1. Full stop. Let this matter appear again on Friday.
Macho.
Lordship,
Same position, huh?
Lordship, I have to give my appearance, Lordship. I'm not there in the matter.
So if you're not there, you can put it. I have no issues. Deal.
I suppose it would be advisable because you sought for time.
So yeah, but not so much.
ওনার নামটা ওখানে অর্ডারে লিখে দিন মিস such and such appears while বলে যেখানে লিখেছেন না on the ground of unavailability যেখানে তার আগে লিখে দিন sought adjournment is sought for by miss such and such on the ground of unavailability. ঠিক আছে
behalf of Mr. Galib, Lordship.
Yes, I've read.
Sir, I'm giving his name as well.
No, his name you can't give. He's
My
not
name,
appearing.
yeah, Lordship.
ওনার নামটা থাকবে না না Mr. Galib's name won't go. Your name will go. Seeking time on his behalf.
Lordship.
Learned advocate for the respondent number 1 যেখানে লিখেছে ওখানে unavailability of Mr. Galib. Learned advocate.
The lordship has been extremely kind.
Lordship. এটা দিয়ে দেবো এটা বানিয়েছিলাম
ওনার গ্রাউন্ডের জন্য ওখানে নাম
39 40 41 42 not today.
Not today, don't pray for time.
43
Come if you want to do the matter.
44 45
I'm for the Union of India led by Mr. Pradeep Pal, my lord.
Other side is not there.
47 same, my lord.
48 49
I'm for the petitioner, my lord. Other side is not here. My affidavit of service be taken on record, my lord.
Other side is not there. Why unnecessary?
Well,
I am for the petition. 54. State and another other.
Why don't you serve them? That the matter is appearing.
I have already intimated through telephone me.
So that it can be taken up because it makes no sense. We waste 1 hour. I said, call the list, get up. Nobody is there.
I'll again intimate.
Chalun, Didi, chalun, call. Chalun. 58 কল করছেন কেন দিদি? 58 তো হলো, দেখে কল করুন না।
Lordship 67, Mr. Devashish Shah is appearing on behalf of Bank of India.
Union of India. Your Lordship, in item number 69, I am praying for a day's accommodation, Your Lordship.
চলুন, note করে দিন। We can do it. Good. At least one we'll be able to do.
Well, I am finding this affidavit of service of notice are complete.
What is the matter, sir?
The Pradhan, under the permission of the BDO, cut the trees which were situated in the both sides of the canal. So
Both sides
of the canal.
Canal.
Well, khal.
Acha.
So the petitioner made objection at page 3, madam.
Page
13.
That
the without permission of the divisional forest officer,
trees should not have been felled.
So only the innocuous prayer is madam to dispose of this remains. That is the issue.
Yes, madam.
I have the instruction.
Din Didi. Who is appearing for the Pradhan?
Lordship, no one is there. I'm for the state respondent.
Pradhan needs to be served.
Yes, Lordship.
Service completed now.
You have not made the Pradhana party.
This is the
Yes,
reason,
ma'am.
Lordship, I have
Where?
given.
At page
Yes,
madam,
respondent number 8. Pradhan has been served.
Yes, madam. Service upon all the respondents are completed. That is 13 miles of the affidavit of service.
You serve afresh, it will appear on Friday. Before Friday, you will be able to serve.
Yes, sir. So tomorrow I will send a notice.
No, sending will not do. Will you be able to serve by Friday? Will I be able to see that you have served? Service will be complete. It will reach there. Tomluk, it will be served by Friday.
Yes. Maybe, yes, ma'am.
It can be served.
Because it was taken
Try.
time 3 days.
লিখুন একটু order একটা লিখুন। Affidavit of service filed to be kept with the record. Full stop. There is no representation on behalf of the respondent number 8, i.e. Pradhan. comma 5 কাখর কাকে এটা কপি করে দেবেন গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েত একটা ইয়ে আছে respondent number 8 name no representation টা লিখলেন full stop. The grievance of the writ petitioner is that the pradhan, i.e. the respondent number 8 pradhan na kore the respondent number 8 has under the influence of the relevant block development officer resorted to illegal and unauthorized felling of trees standing on the sides of Soya Dighi, SOYA DIGHI, Nasakhal, NASAKHL, full stop. Full stop now, and that a representation made against such illegal act to the respondent numbers collector is not a respondent. Respondent numbers 3 and 4 have not been considered by the said respondents as yet. Full stop. The state respondents are represented. Full stop. Learned advocate appearing for the state respondents submits that the hands up a copy of the statement of facts if in statement of facts na kore instruction kore diye, copy of instructions forwarded to her by the divisional forest officer from a Purbo Medinipur Forest Division and submits that no permission for felling of trees had been granted to the Pradhan KAKHARDA Kakhorda GP by the competent authority. Full stop. Paragraph. It appears that the presence of Pradhan is necessary in the facts of the present situation. Full stop. The petitioner shall serve another notice on the respondent, number 8, intimating the said respondent that the matter shall be taken up next on Friday date.
Lordship, I'm late with Mr. Galib, Lordship.
No, your name will go, his name will. The instructions
Lordship, it's an old instruction.
given by the instructions handed up to court by the learned advocate appearing for the state respondents is taken on record. Yes, madam.
Lordship, if the date can be mentioned, Lordship, because not because in the old report, Lordship, it's of February.
I have said instructions forwarded to you. লিখে দিন instructions forwarded to যেখানে লিখেছেন সেখানে date লিখে দিন instructions dated February 11, 2025. That will do. February 11, 2025. Said instructions. The affidavit of service filed today we kept the record. But if no permission was given and if he has felled trees, then action should be taken against the Pradhan.
Lordship, this is the reason I don't have the updated one, Lordship. It's on the
That is why you bring the updated one by the next time. What action has
might be Friday, then it will be difficult for me.
you come and you pray for time. In the meantime, let's see if service is complete. I'll give you time. Not a problem. But try to get it because we are still on Monday only. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, three more days are there because by this time they should have taken, they should have informed you, even otherwise. It is of February. August is ending. So ask them telephonically, they'll give you. At least if they can WhatsApp to you or mail you, that will. No, no, Bhalif, sir.
Lordship, I'm appearing for the state
Not
respondent.
today, don't make any prayer. It will be made not today if you are.
Your Lordship, I beg to appear for the applicant. Kindly makes it not this week, Your Lordship.
77.
77, Your Lordship.
77, not this week. Corby.
Okay.
Grateful.
Apply, sir.
78. 29.
My lord, Mr. Origi.
My lord, so far as 84 is concerned, my lord, so far as 84 is concerned, my lord, I have a small prayer before your lordship. I am for the respondent. Lordship, kindly record one sentence that none appeared for the petitioner today, then not today.
I have
Why?
not. I have not recorded this in any matter. Don't
I
press
tell
for
you-
this. If on Friday they don't appear, I'll record it.
I tell your lordship what is the difficulty. My lord, let me explain for 1 minute. My lord, they have challenged an order of transfer of a criminal matter pending before one court to other court. Now, by way of filing this writ petition, they are stalling the entire trial every day. That
Why
the
there
matter
is no
is
order
pending.
from the writ court? There is no order
Well,
of stay.
Well, the difficulty is this, my lord, in trial court, when the matter is pending before High Court, as a judicial discipline, they do not take up the matter. But
It has been called today. It has been called today, Mr.
I
Chakraborty.
just request that
It
only.
has been called today. Let it be called on the next day. If they don't appear, I'll record whatever I have to record.
Well,
Don't
that
worry.
is why I was just requesting that they have not appeared. That maybe reflect.
No, I'll record appropriately on the next occasion because today it is already 4:29. So
Yes, madam. Well, I won't say. Well, deeply obliged. Deeply obliged.
85 and 86, my lord, I appear for the petitioner, my lord. I do not have the affidavit of service, my lord. Kindly make it
Hello,
not.
next.
88. 90. 89.
Nobody is there.
91. 92. 93. 94.
Both sides are there.
35. The private respondent.
Your other side?
No, I think 95.
Your other side is there.
96. 97.
I'm for the Union of India.
Next time be there, then we'll.
98. 99.
Not today. It's already 4:30.
100.
My lord, I'm sorry to bother your lordship at this hour, my lord. With your liberty, my lord, can I mention item number 116 from the daily list, my lord? My lord,
For what, upgradation?
my lord, not upgradation, my lord. To fix a time on Friday, my lord. My lord, I shall indicate, my lord. My lord, the matter is against the port authorities. Now, my lord, I was a tenant under the Public Premises Act, my lord. The respondent authorities evicted me from the premises. However, my lord, on the day I was evicted, they put a padlock on the premises. Therefore, my lord, my articles in the premises are still there. So therefore, this present writ petition is regarding the fact to allow the
You want
petitioner
to take back the articles.
the limited.
Take your chance on Friday because I'll not be able to fix any time. I don't know myself whether at what time I'll be sitting.
My lord.
So it won't be
My lord,
proper.
maybe if the matter is upgraded, my lord.
Because there are other matters
My lord,
also. If on Friday the same thing happens, then whoever will mention, I will upgrade.
Grateful.
My lord, I'm praying for one upgradation, my lord.
Upgradation I have not allowed today to anybody. Please take your chance on Friday because I myself am not sure when I'm going to sit. I am sitting in division bench regularly. So I'll sit here only if the division bench is not sitting. So fixing matter, upgrading matters won't make sense.
I don't know 41 I am for the petitioner, I could not come.
I have not done anything. But this not done anything will not happen on Friday. Every day, if it happens, then something will be done. Thank you.